It's National Road Safety Week, and I believe our safety is in our hands, literally. Seat belts. More importantly, rear seat belts. All of us wear seat belts when we sit in front, if only to silence the continuous warning chime. Rear seat belts are seldom used. The seat belt secures you in position, prevents you from being thrown out of the vehicle and protects your brain and spine. In fact, airbags are designed to be used with seat belts. They are not a substitute for them. The Scorpio N, for instance, has 6 airbags that work in conjunction with seat belts to keep you safe. It also has EBD and ABS to give complete control while braking. And of course, a global NCAP 5-star rating. Remember, belted rear seat passengers are safer in the collision and also contribute to the safety of those passengers sitting in front of them. Wearing seat belts can reduce risk of grievous injury and fatalities. So, remember, have fun and drive safe.